And so the president maintains that he has no personal relationship with Maumela. He is not related to him, except he was once married to his aunt many, many, many years ago. And so we do note the ongoing desperate attempt from some quarters of the media and others on social media to continue perpetuating this falsehood and seeking to link the president to this gentleman. We've gone further to even obtain confirmation from Thibaut Touch that the video and pictures formed part of his original post. He was coming from the airport, he says, going to the Saxon Hotel with Bishop Noel Jones. At the time, I'm informed that this house was under construction.